FINEDAY 3 keyboard used full aluminum on all parts, from the keyboard body to keycaps. Strong in moisture and non-corrosive. Its durability is excellent. A classic typewriter design made of full aluminum materials. Super fancy. Each letter on the keycap will remain clear and readable thanks to the engraving method. You can also type in the dark with the keycap shining like a diamond from LED backlights. LED backlights have various patterns, adjustable in speed and brightness with the shortcut key. Lever and knob preserve a timeless design of classic typewriters.